Okay, so this is a video of how to switch out the OEM C5 turn signal and running light for the S14 turn signal light. I believe there's two different ones, one with a running light. This one is just the turn signal, and you'll use this for the KBD body kit, and these are the turn signals, the housing. So you cannot run the original C5 turn signals on this housing. This is the main plug for the Corvette. It has 3 wires. It will be the blue, the black, and the brown. The one you need for the S14 turn signals is the blue and the black. Where is it? Here it is. The other little one, you could probably leave it on. I just cut it off just to make sure that nothing happens, and just gonna wrap the wires. But the main one you need is these 3 wires right here. You will have to cut the clip-on, the S14 clip-on, and you'll have the black and red wire. So the black will go to the black ground, and the red will go to the blue. So I just wired the red wire to the blue wire and the black to the black wire. If you have the night drive headlights, there will be the yellow wire with the connector that you connected to the brown wire. Leave that one connected. I cut it under here to where it was connected to the light. I think it was the running light. So I cut that off and I left a little piece. And then you have your other black wire that would go to that light. And that one I'm just gonna wrap it up in tape right here, and it'll work. As you can see now, they're working. Both sides are working just fine. And that's how you do it.